welcome back to our YouTube channel. And this is the car that we are going to do the installation for today. A brand new Lamborghini Urus to install IPE full exhaust system. This is the original downpipe versus the IPE downpipe. We have already fitted in the IPE downpipes. Later on we'll put back on the engine covers, then we will fire up the car and listen to how this Lamborghini Urus sounds with IPE full exhaust system. This IPE system comes with these optional chrome black tips. The exhaust system is stainless steel. The valves are using back the original electric valve motors. Everything is plug and play and pretty easy to install actually. Moment of truth, the startup of the Lamborghini Urus with IPE full exhaust system. And that's it, we have finished the installation for this Lamborghini Urus with IPE full exhaust system. Remember to like and share this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel. We'll see you again in our next episode.